Looking for the best cabinet locks? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 cabinet locks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Jambini, magnetic cabinet locks. Only requires 3M adhesive tape to install the locks. Innovative design ensures the locks can be used in conjunction with most cabinets. Locks are aesthetically appealing. Locks can be disengaged using a convenient flip switch. Work great in kitchens, bathrooms, and other rooms. These magnetic locks take the guesswork out of childproofing your cabinets. Locks may fall off of cabinets over time. Less durable than many comparable options. At number 2. Munchkin, Xtraguard latches. Require dual button operation to release the locks, making it tough for children to unlock cabinets and drawers. Come with a flexible strap that allows for latching around corners. Included adhesive removes easily without damaging surfaces. Quick and simple to install. These multi-use latches are great for securing cabinets, drawers, appliances, and much more. Do not stick to plastic. Can be challenging to remove the locks. At number 1. The Good Stuff, child safety locks. Designed to fit most cabinets and drawers. Offer an invisible system with a lock and unlock function. They do not leave holes in your furniture once you decide to remove the locks. The perfect baby shower gift. Impossible to see when cabinets are shut, so no ice or impact. These premium cabinet locks require no drilling and can be installed in just minutes. There are situations where these products will not work well in narrow spaces. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.